Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And how are you liking that cheapo Dollar Tree thing? I can't find my little headbands that I had last year. They're somewhere in here, but they've been buried by, like, I don't know, shopping trips in this bed, like for the kids for the next coming holidays. I got a lot of that stuff out, so there's buried somewhere. But I did find the hat, so I was like, I'll pop it on and see how it works. Okay, if you hear noise, they're replacing the roof to my apartments, and they have been for the past couple days. I don't know if they're going to get done before the rain tonight and tomorrow, but whatever. So if you hear banging, that's what's going on. Sorry, I can't do anything about this, but these just came in today. So this is the box, the black box from Gerard Cosmetics, and right now they still have them available as far as I know. As far as I know, all of them are available. There's 3 tiers of mystery boxes. This one was $39 and valued at over $110. And then they also have, like, I think a $69 box and $100 and something box. But you know me, I cheap. I'm going with a $39 box. And so yeah, it kind of surprised me. I got the notification before they went public. They went public on the 1st. But because a couple of years ago I signed up just to receive emails and text messages, and so I became a GC squad member, which I'm not an affiliate, but like all my friends are affiliates. Like pretty much, like you got Summer, you got Amy, you got Sarah, you got Deanne, you got Sherry, you got but Jen Gerard's really nice. She has a Facebook group, and I did win a giveaway a few weeks ago just by random. Is that hair? That is hair. Hold on a minute. And I did win a giveaway from her, like her Facebook group. She goes live on Facebook a lot and does makeup and trivia, and she's really, really nice. So, and I do like their setting spray. Like, I first was exposed to him from Ricky's NYC, which I don't know what's been up with their website, but I ordered some lippies from them, like some lip glosses, which are really fun. And then I had gotten a setting spray through the Ricky's box, and I do believe a lippy from them. So yeah, so I was exposed to the brand before. She really like let smaller influencers have PR, so I knew what it was about. So I'm just excited about what's in here, and hopefully good. I barely just opened it. And yes, it took like over a week to get here because that's FedEx. For that last time. Oh, it has a little message in it. Okay, it's like, you can't even see what's in it. It's like this. It says, "Hi beautiful, thank you so much for your order and welcome to our GC family. We hope this very special delivery has made your day a little bit brighter." Aw. Makeup is our creative outlet, and it is a dream come true to share our passion with you. Your feedback and support on social media has been key to our success, and we have nothing but love when we see you wearing our lip colors or sharing your product hauls with us. Join our #GC Squad USA only for exclusive sales and pre-sale access to new products by texting GC Squad to 41400. We love you and can't wait to unveil the new products we've been working on. Please keep in touch. Much love, Jen Gerard. Oh, a little quote. He asked me to choose between him and my lipstick. I miss him sometimes. Please use our hashtags when posting your work so we will be sure to see it. #GClove, #Gerard Cosmetics, #GC Squad. She just celebrated her 5-year makeup anniversary, like 5-year creating the company. So that's what this is about. And most people who got pre-access, I guess if you were signed up, you get, like, that's how I got the access before they were public, because I had signed up for those. And if you're an affiliate, you were able to. So has this little card. Gold. Okay, this is GC Love Gold. Okay, so gold, platinum, and diamond. And platinum is $69, a minimum of $195 value, and diamond was $149, $425 value. Dang, if I had money, I would have probably splurged. This card says, "Hi beauty, in honor of our 5-year anniversary, we want to spoil you with something we know you've been wanting. These limited edition GC Love boxes. Inside these bad boys, you will discover your gift packed with an array of GC Slay essentials. We hope that," and that's because their setting sprays called Slay All Day. We hope this box brings you joy and happiness and shows you how much we love you. Keep slaying. Okay, I think this is a pop socket, I'm guessing. Like the, there's not a, that card didn't say what was in here, so I'm thinking this is a pop socket. It's a cute little pop socket. You know, I got my Jeffree Star one over there. Have I used it? No, because I'm planning on getting a new phone. And I've got like a bunch of lippy stuff. Okay. Oh no, I did get one thing I wanted. Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh my gosh, that's awesome! Okay, this is a mini. Is it a mini one? This is a 1 ounce. I think it's a mini one. But this is one of their Slay All Days, their setting sprays. I love their setting sprays. But more importantly, they have like a million scents, or at least 5, I don't know. They have a lot of scents, like coconut, lavender, I think a rose, some other fruit scent, I don't know. Like maybe even a vanilla. But I got mango. If y'all don't know, mango is what I actually received, I believe, in my Ricky's box like forever ago. You know, in the Ricky subscription box. And I love mango. Mango is like my second favorite fruit scent. It's like strawberry and mango, and sometimes mango surpasses that as a body scent, like just like my favorite fruit scent. And like, yes, like mango's top tier for me. Oh my gosh, yes. And it's a really good setting spray. So yeah, this is the small one, but it's still 1 ounce. It'll go far. Like I've been using my Max fix set, whatever, on the daily, just a set. And that's in 1 ounce, and I've been using it forever. It's still not empty. So they last a long time. Now, so it's a big one, but yes, mango. Yes. I'm pretty sure it is a liner. This is a lip pencil in Bel Air. You see the Bel Air. I have one that, like, she included, like, the giveaway was just for lashes and applicator, but she included, like, 2 lippies and a lip pencil or something like that. There's somewhere around here. I cleaned up and I put stuff away, so I can't, it's not easily accessible to me at this moment. So, it's a pretty little mauve number. Okay, I like that color. I'll hold off on it. It's a neutral. Just because I'm just gonna, I've been wanting to try this formula. Okay, this is a metal matte. I love metallic lipsticks. Y'all should know. Like, I love metallic lipsticks. This is in the shade Dreamweaver. I have no idea what shade that is. It is cruelty free. It doesn't contain carmine. Oh, and she's been talking about like probably releasing or she's in talks to release an eyeshadow palette. Like that's the goal of hers. And I asked, please not contain carmine, because y'all don't know I'm allergic. It gives me pink eye, basically, or you know, basically. Hurt, painful pink eye basically for a few days, and then it clears up on its own because it's just an allergic reaction. It's not the actual pink eye infection. So as long as I quit using whatever caused it. So she said, yeah, I won't include carmine. So yeah. And I think she's gonna go colorful because she loves color. Like all the palettes she buys are colorful and uses them on her lives. Ooh, you're pretty. Okay, it's like a rosy gold kind of thing. You know, I ain't got a lip. Recently I got a lip. Oh, y'all don't know. I Heart Revolution, Makeup Revolution's like sideline. And it smells like raspberry. Sirius literally came into my lap and sat on the box. In the box. Not even on it. Just in it. Hi, Sirius. Do you mind moving from Mama? But it is comfy. It's pretty. It's like a good color. It's like a good gold. Like a deeper gold. Like, yeah, good. I don't have one quite this shade. So, yeah, because I do have quite a few minutes. I appear to have a bullet lipstick. Oh, let me swatch that. I'll swatch that one. Yeah. I don't think she gave me one. She might have sent me one of these. I don't think so, though. But I don't really remember. I don't think so, because I would remember the really gold bullet. Ooh, did I say what color this was? This is Lilac Moon. I could have guessed from the color. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I'm matching because the color I traded for from Deanne from the Jeffree Star mystery boxes is almost that color. It's a tad more blue in that. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna try on all of these because I can't, you know. I'm sorry I haven't been around. It's just like, I don't know. I have so many. I have palettes I need to do looks with. I want to do looks with, but at the same time, I just like get home and I'm like, no. It's probably because it's got cold again. And I'm just like trying to hibernate. You know, I don't know. I'm kind of in a funk. Something sad, just tragic happened to an old friend. Like, we were pretty daggum close in high school. And he became a widower because his wife had cancer for the past few years. And I'm like, at our age, becoming a widower with 2 small girls, yeah. So I've been sad, but I haven't talked to him since we were like 19, 20. So yeah, and he moved down south. So I'm like, anyway. So I've been like kind of in a funk about that because it's just so. I don't know if it comes across like probably the reason I don't like going in crowds and stuff because my feelings are very affected by my environment and who I'm around, and so I've always been like always been an empathic person, like extraordinarily. When it's something like to this, like I don't think anybody deals with death well, but like. Well at all. Like, and like I never met her or anything like that, but just what he's going like just as that's set my mindset this week to hard. And like last weekend, I was gonna be so gung-ho and just like start filming with all my palettes and stuff, and I have been using new palettes. Like I've been using the Beauty Killer palette, which is new to me. But I know this is tangent, but it's just like, so I've been affected by that, and just like, bleh. Just go glide on pretty easy and creamy. It's not irritating on the bottom. It will be built that way, so you just need to go over it. So that's pretty. It does smell like lipstick, like a waxy lipstick. It's got a nice formula. Okay, I've got a Color Your Smile lip gloss in the shade Candy Apple, which I do not have, I don't believe. No. Oh, no, I don't have this. Ooh, I love this shade. Yes, okay. It has a little side mirror on it, and it lights up. Okay, apparently I got one that's broken. It's like barely lit anymore. Sometimes, yeah, but they're supposed to light it. The formula still, ooh, that's a pigmented lip gloss. Look at that, yes, okay. So we're gonna swipe this off. Really nice. Okay. I've got a Hydro Matte in Serenity. I did get 2. I got a Coachella and something else. But they were really bright summer colors. They're spring summer colors. And so this is a nude. Oh, is it a wearable nude for me? Oh yeah. Yeah, I can wear that. I have very similar colors in Bare Minerals that I love. And Dose of Colors, actually. I probably have one of each. That's really pretty. Let's type it because I'm enjoying the lip gloss. Okay, that's what the Serenity looks like, and so almost my lip color, and maybe a little bit more red orange tint to it. So then a nude, guys. He can't fit in it because it's small, so he's got it like pushed forward. His little paws are his like the upper half of his body's up in it, which is funny. Okay, this I don't have not tried. This is a Supreme Lip Cream. Ooh, and Wild Berry Tart. Is this gonna be a dark purple? Is it? I have a feeling it's gonna be like a dark purple. No, not what I was expecting. Okay. But you know, very, very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Like, that is so pretty. It's very pretty. It's like warmer than that one. Like, that one has like a touch of orange. That one has a touch dark red. More lip. Should change. I'm kind of like really enjoying this lip though. But it's really, really pretty. Like, those are two colors I would wear. I need absolutely. This is a great like. Just I got mango. I didn't get a light nude. I got two nudes that actually work for me. Like, I consider those two nudes, like, really. And they work for me. They're not like the pale thing. Like, these are my color nudes. Like, I will wear both of these. Love the purple. Like, I will play around with that for a look. I'm loving this. Like, I don't even want to take it off to try the other two because I'm just I love it's not sticky at all. Loving how it feels, how it's looking. I don't think it's moving anywhere. It could be getting all over my teeth. I don't know. Lord knows. No, it's not going on my teeth. 5 different lippies, like in every formula they have, which is awesome. These are like $18, $17 in that range. Maybe even 20. It could be 20. They're like in the $20 range. So that's $100 at least right here. This lip pencils is like 15, I believe, and this is like 10 to 15, somewhere around there. So yeah, do I think I got my money's worth? Yes, I do. I think these are great formulas. I've had them while I'm loving this. Love the setting spray. These are really good. So I'm happy to have those in my collection and build my little Gerard Cosmetics. I'm happy to support a very nice indie brand. Like, she is the nicest person, the sweetest person ever. She talks to everybody in the chat, like, because everybody's in there. So it's nice and you can talk to everybody else. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Go buy a box if you can. Doodles!